Okay, this video is going to show how we treat a wall flashing with our diamond shingles. Wall flashing could be the side of a dormer, side of a chimney, or where a garage would meet a main house. The starter shingle I already have on here, and you'll notice I have it turned up the wall, approximately 3 inches. And now I'm going to put on the next piece, which will come across here and fold up the wall as well. So the first thing I need is a measurement from the side wall to where the corner of my shingle should be. And when I look across there, I'm reading 7 1/8, because I want to have that space, 3/8 or 1/4 inch space, always between this point and the point of the other one. So I made a pencil mark there. Yeah, 7 inches, 7 1/8. Now I'm going to take a full shingle. So I know that this point is where I want to be here. I want to fold it at 7 inches in from there. So I'm going to measure across. Make the mark at 7 inches. And we normally bend 3 inches up the wall, so I'm going to make another mark at 10 inches, 3 inches more. Now this is speed square works the best for this. Just hook on the side of your shingle. I go on my mark here. That's my 7-inch one. Flip it over for the other side. I have my 2 marks here. As you work with shingles, you flip it around a few times and lose track of which is which. So I would generally put a B for a bend on this mark and C for in cut. So as you flip around, you always know which one you're working with. That clip is in the way in the top end there. I'm going to take it off. Now before I make a bend, I need to cut my corners out. I'll do this one first. It's easy enough to see. Always stay back on a long angle. Get this material out of the way for when you're bending. And I just always make just a little cut there, make it easier to bend. This side, when I turn it over, I can't see. I'm just going to make a little mark there, so I can see it on the other side. Now I want to roll these folds out on the side so that they're going to act like a step flashing as I go up the roof. I can start to open them up with the hammer claw. Okay, there's my shingle to go on, and now I just have to bend it. And generally this can be done by hand. I have my line there to sort of follow. Just do it slowly so you can get a watch as you go. I'll over bend a little bit and then bring it back. There I'm hooked on. My space is good between the shingles. I'm parallel across this way, and I can clip this shingle. If it's wood frame construction, I'm going to just put a couple of nails into the sidewall. And I'm just going to do that once more to give you a better idea how that goes together. My next shingle up here, now the second one, I know that the widest point is going to go from this side to this point in here. So if I want to keep my space, there's where the corner of my shingle should be as it was here. So really tight, 19 1/8, I'm going to make it 19 inches. So there's how my shingle goes on. There's my corner. I'm going to measure 19 inches across here. And then again, 3 inches more for the fold up the wall. So another mark at 22. My 2 marks. There's my cut mark. There again, I should have put B for bend, C for cut there again. Mark my corner so I can see it on the other side. Now I want to open up my folds again. And here's my bend line again. Now I never made my little nicks here to make it easier bending. And that's my second shingle. When this is together, we have an overlap here of probably 2 inches, so any water comes down the roof, it's coming out here. It's got an overlap here, so it makes a good tight system.